worried about your NEET PG examinations, in fact, because it has been postponed due to a Supreme Court order that up to 31st of August, this examination cannot be conducted. So, and actually, after a long analysis, in fact, the dates which I am expecting is somewhere in September, after 5th September, in fact. Why? Because you see, what is the schedule of NEET PG? In fact, your scorecard has to be released by first week of October. So you have to consider, because academic session, in fact, government will be always liking to catch, in fact. So is the cause, first week of October they will definitely like to declare the scorecard. Almost approximately 1,74,000 are the aspirants for NEET PG, in fact, and total number of seats for which the examination has to be conducted is MS is ranging from 10,821 to 12,600, I think. For MD it is 19,953. For PG diploma it is 1,979 seats, and for DNB set 1,338 seats are there. Again, since Supreme Court has already told that there will not be any exam up to 1st of August, so far as NEET PG is concerned. Already on 5th September, NDA exam has been postponed, considering and visualizing the upsurge of COVID. So immediately after that, only 3 Sundays are left, because your previous date was announced 18th April 2021, that was Sunday. So obviously it is in the mind of NBE, National Board of Examination, to conduct your examination on Sunday, and after 5th September only 3 Sundays are there: 12th September, 19th September, 26th September. And as far as I speculate, NEET UG examination may be conducted either on 12th September or 3rd of the October. If NEET UG will be conducted on 12th September, only 2 Sundays will be left, 19th September or 26th September. And since in first week of October a scorecard of yours has to be released, in fact, so only 2 Sundays will be left in that case, 19th and 26th of the September. So let us assume that 19th September and 26th September will be the dates in which your examination is falling, in fact. So you can plan your study so far as preparation is concerned right from today onwards, so that you must be ready in all the ways, and so that you must get good score to get a nice branch, in fact. So thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a nice day. And please don't forget to subscribe it, share it, and like it. Please subscribe it, share it, and like it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.